Hello kids, let's draw a angry bird. Let's draw a angry bird. First, draw a ellipse shape. First, draw a ellipse shape. Ellipse shape drawing is complete. First, draw a ellipse shape. Ellipse shape. Then draw its eyes portion. Then draw its eyes portion. Then draw its eyes portion. Let's draw the two eyes and its eyeball. Let's draw its nose. Let's draw the nose. Let's draw its nose. Then a curved shape that touch its nose. Then this one. Then draw its upper portion. Then draw its upper portion. Then draw its behind portion this way. Then draw its behind portion this way. Then let's complete. Then this is covered with a black color. This portion is covered with a black color. This portion is covered with a black color. This portion also covers with a black color. This portion also covers with a black color. Complete. Then this is the black color to show more visible the angry bird. It is more visible. It's the angry bird. Let's color it. Complete. Bye bye guys.